Hey, my name's Connor. I'm from Signal, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour as to what we do here. So, we're a design agency for B2B software companies, and I've been having a lot of conversations lately around the growing importance of having a moat around your product. And I think this is truly a growing importance in today's world where technology is evolving really rapidly. It's a really exciting time to be in software, but at the same time, super important that you're establishing a moat around what you're building. And so, if you are a software founder, I'm sure you're familiar with a million ways of going about this. But the idea is that you stack multiple strategies together to create that really secure mode. And the layer that we help with in particular is all around building perception. And so your brand is a really key part about what you're actually building, whether you are actively building it or not. There will be some sort of perception about who you are. And so getting that element of what you're building right is a super crucial thing. And it's actually a really key way that you can establish a moat around your product. In practical terms, how are we actually helping you with that? Well, we're having a look at firstly your website. So your website is effectively a window into who you are as a brand and as a company. So it should do a really strong job of conveying how good of a fit you are for your customer. Taking a step back from that though, we do look at your brand identity. And so what does your brand sound like? What does your brand look like? Do work together to paint a picture of how you are perceived. So your logo, your typography, your tone of voice, your colors, all of these things we have a look at. And we also look at your user experience and interface of your product, just to make sure that from the moment a customer comes to understand who you are all the way through to when they're actually using your product, does that feel like one connected brand experience? And that's really where you strike gold. And so we could be a good fit if you are working towards rounds of investment and therefore having a strong perception of who you are is quite top of mind. But if you've also recognized that establishing a strong brand is just a thing that you need to be doing right now strategically, we could be a good fit. And also, you might be wanting to create a strong emotional connection with your ICP rather than just a simple transactional, here's the solution to your problem, but rather creating a connection that will last a long time. So we might not be a fit if you are treating brand as more of an afterthought. If you kind of view it as a box to tick, well, we need a logo, well, we need a website, so, let's just get one up. That's not really what we do. We're not in the business of just getting one up. We're in the business of creating really strong strategic websites and brands that will create the perception that will set your software product apart. So if that's something that you're interested in talking more about, I would love to have a chat with you. So do click the button up in the top or just flip me a message. And yeah, let's get talking.